Welcome to Epoch Trades, where we trade the new age. Today we're going to be covering key levels on the monthly and weekly time frame for Elrond. So, as always, our key level criteria: we look for swing highs and swing lows, multiple rejections, acted as support and resistance, drastic moves away, obvious to spot, and recently formed. So, let's go ahead and hop right in. Our first key level we can plot is our swing high here. Next level I see is right here, where we see multiple reactions to the level, acting as resistance, and is obvious to spot on the monthly chart. So let's go ahead and hop to the weekly so we can see more price action. Here on the weekly, what do we see? See a key level right here. So we plot it on the chart. We see multiple reactions to the level acting as resistance and support, and we also see this long wick reacting to the level. Now if we look right here, we notice a key level. We see multiple reactions to the level, which is obvious to spot on the weekly chart here. Now, here's another key level. We see multiple reactions reacting to the level as support and resistance. Now, on our most recent price action, we notice another key level, which is our swing low. So, price came down, hit, and reversed. As price came back down to the same level where we had a reaction here, price reacted again, reversing drastically. So, looking at the chart here, these are all of our key levels plotted on the chart. If you guys enjoyed the video and got any value from it today, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.